what you been saying? You get something for Valentine's Day?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
Leah,
who gave you that? Yay! So this is what?
A picture frame that says love.
Love. Oh, thank you.
It says love, but in the bottom it says you.
It says love you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so cute. Heart?
Yeah.
For who?
Mommy.
Oh, thank you. Mwah. And for Mila. And heart for Mila. What about you, Daniel? You got something?
Well, let me see this.
You got something for us for Valentine's Day?
No.
Leah, look what Daddy bought me.
Wow, that's so big.
It's a teddy bear.
It's even bigger than my head.
Yeah. Alright.
Mila, you want to play with your... Mila, you want to play with the teddy bear? Wow, it's even bigger than Mila.
Okay, so did somebody give you guys something? Or did you give... Oh, yeah, next year you probably will need to give somebody a gift. Somebody special. Did somebody give you guys chocolate today?
No.
No? Aww. Oh, guys, good morning. Good morning. I will say good morning to subscribers. Yeah, guys, some of our dream came true. Mila with a big, bow, them call it? Bow. Bow. Yeah, so a lot of people, well, some people used to tell me like, Swaggy, start dress a girl like a girl. See there, see there. Yeah, girl dressed like a girl. Alright, so what we're gonna do? Oh, Leah have a health issue, so we're gonna carry him to the doctor. Yes, and I'm gonna take you guys along, so you know places where to go in case you have health issues too. Yeah, man. Yeah, so we are go on the road now. We are go on the road now. I want to take me a picture because she looks so girly girl. She not on that, she not dip on that. She dip on picking flowers again. I love her hairstyle. Yes, she's cute today. Cutie patootie. Cutie patootie. Watch her daddy, I tried to catch her. She not look at him, you know. She does not look. She no business. Alright. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Time I catch pan. We have to do whole heap of things. You have a AC here, Al?
Yeah, man, AC there.
AC there? It's for open the door. But once you see there,
Good.
good. It can work. We can work with the, yeah. Something like that driving me grow up, you know.
Yeah?
In the countryside, my uncle used to drive something like that. Yeah, brings me back in those times. Yeah.
Rush under the ladder.
Ladder, yeah, ladder. My uncle used to have ladder. Yeah, a lot of him used to have. But this is not a ladder, but close enough. Close enough. Yeah. And him used to have something in front of him as well. Yeah. No, but he used to have a dog that wiggles his head. You know what I'm talking about? Like a dog that shakes him head here. And that him used to have. And he used to have prayer pictures. Like Jesus picture too.
Oh, we need one of them machines.
Here. Hey guys, our temporary option. Not for yeah, Errol brought his car for full checkup, you know.
I change something on it, so it need 3 days in the shop.
Hey Leah, what's up? How you doing? Hey, Leo has red eye. Show me Leo your eye. Look to the right. Yeah, see the guys? Yeah, we're gonna check Lara now. Yeah, carry him to the ophthalmologist. I know how in Russian, but in English I'm not sure. Eye doctor. Eye doctor, we are going to eye specialist. ophthalmologist.
So they play a football competition Saturday and we figure maybe they sit down team.
Yeah, when you came back from a competition, football, soccer competition.
Yeah, this is that show.
Yeah, so we're gonna try figure out what. Okay.
Leah, what time is lunch at school? 11?
Oh, they closed down court. See that, Harold? Indian man opening place. Court's gone. St. Anne's Bay though. Yeah, St. Anne's Bay. Court is gone.
Wait.
Indian man take over. If you check, looks like they have whole lot of things and fresh ones.
That court's got ring.
Court's gone.
Court's gone. Not going for courts. You guys, we in a town. Rasta man sell him local craft. Hand craft. Any man sell for them things. And the Jamaican man hustle money. Everybody hustle. Boy. You guys, we're there in a St. Anne's Bay. And I don't know the name of the plaza, so if people know, drop the name of the plaza. We have Pika right in front of the Scotia Bank. Yes, in St. Anne's Bay. Here's a Pika office. Here's nail shop where I do my nails, and here's the Eye Institute. I don't remember that place, you know, like a new place them open, and they have something else. They have CPFSA or something. About children. You can report children abuse there. Yeah, and the Eye Institute. Morning. Morning. Okay, so we are inside the Eye Institute. So we are going to wait. Going to wait. Hey, Mila.
I wouldn't say it's getting more red than no. But this morning when you woke up, it look more red than it is now.
And it's got itchy. Does it hurt? Are you just trying to like this?
So guys, thanks God, nothing serious. Nothing serious. It's just the allergy and a lot of things happen in one. So put like a pressure on the eye. But otherwise, it's alright. It's alright. Leah. No. Yeah. Came to take Lionel passport picture. Oh gosh. Yeah, what are we? You want something to drink, Leo? You want something? Here? Alright, I'll go beg daddy. Leo. Hey man. Just Leo. Yeah. Go Leo. You want it cold or without ice? With ice? You want it with ice? Yeah, you want it with ice. Alright, so only one. So go take water. Then my pineapple. I'm gonna take water. Mila. Ronaldo probably wonders where are we. Sun huts, like summer come. Is all Jamaican people skillful when them sell things? Yeah.
I look at you in a leather belt. Well, leather belt, look at you in a leather belt. Real leather. And a feather that. Not a feather, that's a leather. $4,000 real leather belt.
Hey, we found them, guys. Look for the goats, them. Mila, see the goats?
See the baby one at you?
Hey, they can climb high. Mila, look. It's a goat. It's a baby goat. Come. Show your baby goat. Hey, baby goat. Wagwan, baby goat. Oh, yeah, do, baby goat. Did they all cry? Come, Leah, don't be scared. Goat can't do that. Cha. Good gun. Now the man want to kidnap the goat or flash in plastic bag. Ready for the goat? Ready for cold goat? You follow the goat. See, they have rooster. A rooster they have. Come. They have everybody. No, sir. A gooseberry that? Is that a gooseberry tree? I found gooseberry. I think it's gooseberry. Mila, I think it's gooseberry. I'm not sure if it's ready. It's a gooseberry tree. Eh. Full of gooseberry. See there? Gooseberry. Gooseberry tree. Gooseberry tree. Open this one.
It's tough?
It's not really soft.
No, this tough.
Tough? You not ready?
No.
Come, go look on that tree. Full of gooseberry and maybe you can find something. Sharing is caring. It is. I did. Wasted one gooseberry. I'm not ready. When the time come, I'm gonna come back. Come back. And we're gonna see what's up.
Oh.
Ow, my hair. Yeah, guys, so not today. Today was not a good luck. Bad luck today. But we're gonna come back and check what one later. At least we know the spot. If somebody from YouTube channel that come faster than me, but at least we know where these berries them grow. Yes. To show us his pictures. Hey, Leo is gonna have a real Jamaican pictures. He's in his uniform.
Yeah. I run and love the same thing, so we can say, yo, look, you go to school again.
Yeah. Real Jamaican youths.
Every time people see you, the man go to
do
school, you go to Jamaica. So yeah, man, you the man go to school for
Nice
the morning.
ones here. Handsome. Handsome. You're handsome.
For you.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we are going back, and that's what we see from our window. Caribbean Sea. Oh, you see? Oh, that's where they carry tourists to ride a horse in water, actually. Yeah, down there. Yeah, okay, makes sense now. A John Crow fly, a John Crow now in the sky. Yeah, it's like something. Yeah. Order some KFC. Got well hungry.
Yeah, big deal.
I just wanted to show you the prices.
All of them. Original spice value.
And if you can see, them starts on dessert.
You can make two of them cheap and
biscuits.
two of them cheap ones. Since I food.
$2.50 each. I never tried that.
Yeah.
Harold said to me, Swaggy, don't try what you don't know.
Thanks.
Yeah, guys, we'll go show some KFC. You guys, see KFC there. Thank you. Ushmila, you can get a French fries. Hooray. Let me get spicy. Beg you some ketchup, please. Want some ketchup? Yeah, you want some? I'll give you some. I'm gonna blow pan it. Come on, give me like 2 of them. Please, come on, ketchup can't do me. 2. Oh, not 3. Yeah, park it up. Park it up. I eat. I yum. Cheers, Mila. Cheers.
Yeah, it's just
French fry, nice. French fry, nice.
I need to figure out how to do
Yeah.
in one day.
Yeah.
So you want grape or
One Pepsi.
Pepsi no dey mine.
Hey, stop. KFC them ever don't have Pepsi. They never have Pepsi. Never have Pepsi yet.
Pepsi stuff get them stuff onto them.
Pepsi. What? Look at some my cheese. Not cheese, you guys. Not cheese. Woo. I'm gonna dive in. Guys, ready for dive in. You guys, mash up the box. So I did a mash up the box. Oh, full.
Oh, anyone them? Alright, this way, give it.
See what for yourself.
All good.
Put up a plate, bro. For the radio, also. Guys, on the way back home. Finally, we're done with everything. You see, when you live in Jamaica and you have something to do, you go on the road, just know you are going to spend the whole first part of the day for sure. Yes, because things, them take time, especially in Jamaica. Yeah. So when I go on the road, when me and Errol, me don't go on the road alone. Not yet. Me and Errol apart. When we go on the road, it takes the whole day. I'm gonna talk about when you go to Kingston. You see, when we need to go to Kingston and you're from another parish, counter day. I like road, but when road gets to you, sometimes it'll get to you. I make you dizzy. I just get a little KFC. I'm there, munch on a little iced coffee, and a little still, but here, big back activities. For wake me up, come. I don't really sleep good in the night time, so I have to, pump myself with some extra caffeine. I know it's not good, but I have to pump in some caffeine in my system. Otherwise, I'm not going to survive through the day, especially when I do road. Yeah, so I'm do my little big back activities. Them Starbucks there, yeah. Starbucks in Jamaica. What do you? Oh, and you know what I noticed? I see, guys, when you drive Prestige vehicle in Jamaica, people treat you different, Today we did not laugh, but think of 2 or 3 people today treated we kind of away road we car. I can't see people. Sorry, I can't see people that did not run with car. I flash with car like, guys, move. Do not laugh. Maybe my observation was wrong, but today we spent all day in this car. Me spent all day in that car. I normally used to drive BMW, before we used to drive Subaru, like nice vehicles them. But since we are parked on that car, see, not everybody stays so, but you can clearly feel the difference. Classicism. Here, at least you have something for your own, you know, for each, Yeah, the rest doesn't matter. You can laugh off of me, you can make jokes, you can treat me away in my vehicle. Me no business. Once me not have to take the bus, cause the bus, you see how people stand up on the bus. The sun hot. The sun is hot. I have to wait on the bus. Not easy. So I don't keep me up for my own self. Me alright. Because honestly, you see when you have nothing at all for you have to use your 2 foot them. You're a different story, that a different struggle. So big up to everybody who treated me away today and that week. Just know I'm in a business. Yeah. If you guys experience something like that, leave in the comment section. But that's funny.